It was 1 year ago today that Larry Nassar set foot in an Ingham County courtroom to begin his sentencing hearing. January 16, 2018 would begin a week of emotional and painful victim impact statements from survivors, beginning with Kyle Stevens, whose original testimony led to Nassar's arrest. Mallory Anderson takes a look back.
Perhaps you have figured it out by now, but little girls don't stay little forever. They grow into strong women that return to destroy your world.
88 women, 4 days was all that was scheduled for statements. But as their voices grew louder, the list of women grew longer. In the end, over 150 would stand up to their abuser, Larry Nassar, over the course of 7 days.
Imagine feeling like you have no power and no voice. Well, you know what, Larry? I have both power and voice, and I am only beginning to just use them.
Larry Nassar's sentencing hearings not only led to his own demise, but also began a domino effect across Michigan State University. As of today, 3 former MSU staff members have been charged in connection with the scandal. Despite that, though, some of those directly involved with the Nassar case believe MSU still has a lot of work to do to make sure students are safe and protected.
Look at what happened. Look at reasonable changes and make those so that when we send our children, including my own children, to Michigan State, we can do that with confidence. There's change, there's safety, and this culture of silence, of shutting up and putting people down and not believing them has stopped. Let's talk about it. Let's get it handled.
At the time of his Ingham County sentencing hearings, Nassar was already serving 60 years in federal prison on child pornography charges. Judge Aquilina would go on to sentence him to an additional 40 to 175 years in prison on sexual assault charges, along with another 40 to 125 years from an Eaton County judge. It is safe to say Larry Nassar will likely never step foot outside of a prison again.